Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to ace the colored eyeliner. Today I'm using this electric blue that is matching my denim shirt to go with a light lip color. I'm going to show you how you can achieve this look and what color looks good on you. Ideally, blue and green liners are what actually look really amazing. Today I have picked blue, so let's get started. So I'm starting with using this blue pencil, which is actually like a kajal eyeliner pencil. The thing is that I'm already wearing a little bit of makeup on my eyes, which is literally just eyeliner and mascara. The reason I'm actually wearing this is because when you're usually doing like a colored liner, adding a black eyeliner before or any sort of maybe eyeshadow or something on the eyelid kind of makes it longer for like a colored liner to last. Also, it makes it super it actually really intensifies it, and that's why I just didn't want to straight make the blue liner, and that's why I'm wearing eyeliner. So I'm going to draw the blue eyeliner over this current eyeliner that I have drawn. I'm going to sort of just take like an angular brush now and just like brush out the edges of the liner so there are no harsh lines. This is this electric blue pencil that is actually looking extra dramatic and more intense over a black eyeliner. So since I'm wearing blue now, I'm going to use like a light pink and it's slightly glossy. I actually like a little bit of gloss when I'm using colored liner, and gloss is usually done just on the pout. So usually when your eyes are dark, like very dark, like say for example if you're doing like some sort of smoky eye or something with too much glitter, you know, especially a black smoky eye, avoid a red lip. It's not like there's no hard and fast rule that you can't wear it at all, but it's definitely something that can be avoided depending also on the intensity of the black on your eye, or also depends on the kind of red that you're using, what undertone it has and everything. So for now, going back to colored eyeliner. This is my look that I could probably wear like during the summer, definitely, because summer is all about colors. Something that I would definitely wear in the day if I was going for like a casual lunch or brunch. So make your eyes pop with colored liner, and you can always play the color that you're using on your lips. Ideally, preferably something light because you want to make the colored liner pop. This is Maliha signing off. You can find me on Instagram on Makeup and Hair by Maliha. You can also follow Foxy Makeup Tips and Tutorials. See you soon. Maliha love.